Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to be going over this bag from DJI. It's for the Mavic Mini. So with the Mavic Mini, if you get the Fly More combo, you get this bag. It's a nice hard bag. The problem is you can't fit too much stuff in it, so you can fit the essentials of your Fly More combo, but there's also things that I wish I can carry that I couldn't. So I actually didn't buy the Fly More combo. I just bought the Mavic Mini and I built my Fly More combo. I got the Mavic Mini for really cheap, so that's why I did that. So it ended up costing me a lot less than the Fly More combo would have. All right, so if you look at this bag is the black color, but they also come in yellow and blue, and also yellow and black. I did get the black. I do like the look of the black. This is about $40 on Amazon. You can get it for 25 used. It's probably a return item. Sometimes it pops up on Amazon, but for $40, I believe it's good value. I'm going to go over the good, the bad, and my overall impressions of the bag after I'm done showing you around. All right, so let's get into it. So if you look at the front of the bag, you have this transparent compartment, if you want to call it, for the Mavic Mini. There is no protection here, so if you drop it, I would be afraid that my Mavic Mini would get damaged. So just make sure that you always are aware of just carrying it from the shoulder strap. The thing that I do not like about this case is there's no strap at the top, so there's no carrying strap. I do like that about the case that comes with the Fly More combo. So that's one thing that I wish they put on here. You know, whether it was a strap that you can just tuck in and when you didn't want to use it, and then you can pull it out. I just wish they had it on there. It's just easier to kind of grab and go. They do give you the shoulder strap, which I don't really use. I kind of use it just as like a handle. So again, this is going back to the handle. I wish that they had a handle instead of the carrying strap for the shoulder strap. So if you look at the transparent compartment in the front, it's plastic. All right. It does have this little strap here, so we will unclip this. All right, and and another bad thing about this case is you actually don't see anything holding this strap down, or this little flap down, except for the strap. So if you don't strap this thing in correctly, or if it's not, if you didn't strap it on at all, I could just see this little flap opening, and if you turn this bag the wrong way, you grab it the wrong way, I could just see the Mavic Mini falling out, and that would not be good. All right, so that's one problem that I have with the bag. So if you just pull this Mavic Mini out, so if you notice, I do have the prop holders from DJI. These are the ones that they offer on the website, so it does fit inside the bag with the prop holders on. That's one thing that I didn't like about the Fly More combo case, is that it would not allow for the prop holders to be on the Mavic Mini to be stored in the case. So that's one thing that I didn't like about the Fly More case that comes with it, but one thing that I did like about this bag. So we'll move on to another compartment. So this compartment on the side with the DJI logo on it, this is where I keep the charger and some of the cables for the controller. All right, so you just unzip this, and we have the quick charger here. So I didn't get the Fly More combo, so I have to use my own quick charger. But this is the one that I chose. It's an Anchor quick charger. So I also keep that in the compartment there. All right. So I also have the micro USB cable to charge the remote or the Mavic Mini, or go into the charging hub that I'll show you in a second. All right. And we also have the cable, the lightning cable for the controller of the Mavic Mini. All right, so that's that for that compartment. Then we have this little compartment here. This is the bigger compartment, the biggest compartment of the bag, and it's a little tight, but this is the controller. So the controller stores nicely on top of the hub in the bag. So the next is, the next is a hub. So that stores right in there. And then also, if you look in here, if you can see that, but it does have little pockets here, little compartments here that you can store things. So I choose to store my extra props and the screws. In the other slot, I choose to store the screwdriver that they give you, and an extra micro USB that I got with the charging hub. We also have the spare thumbsticks. So that's that for that compartment. But if you look, it's a nice big compartment here that will store a lot of things there if you want to put if you really want to cram stuff in there. And on the back of the bag, you have this little nice little flap here that you can store a lot of stuff in. So if you want to put stuff in there, like a phone or a small tablet, you could put that in there. But there's a lot of nice storage on this little bag, and it's a very small bag. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a very small bag, but it also has a lot of room in it, if that makes any sense. So I do recommend that you go out and buy this if you don't like the hard case, or if you have the prop holders. This is a really nice bag to have. There are positives and negatives of both bags or cases. This has a little less protection than the actual hard case does. So I would take this out if I know that I'm going to be traveling light, and this is going to be the only thing that I'm carrying. But if I'm going to be throwing, the Mavic Mini or this bag into like a larger backpack, then I would use the carrying case instead, just because it has a harder protection, and it's going to protect the Mavic Mini from getting thrown about and getting damaged. All right. So I do recommend going out and grabbing the bag. It's $40. Again, you can get it used for about $25. I've seen on Amazon here and there. So if you do want to purchase that, I do recommend it. You don't see too much of this back or this bag around. I actually didn't even know it existed until I started looking for different bags for the Mavic Mini, just to fit more stuff in it. So it's really cool, and it's from DJI, so you can get it on their website or on Amazon. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or anything, comments that you want to leave them in the comments below. I'm going to be doing a lot more drone videos in the future, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to see those, and hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that I post on YouTube. All right, until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.